said I feel invisible.
I'm one of one. I'm number one. I'm the only one.
I said I feel invisible.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play.
Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nefi Peralta, your bilingual entrepreneur. This channel is going to be mostly focused on, as you can see, the markets, as well as empowerment, and as well as always staying hungry and really being motivated and empowered to achieve success and achieve greatness. I want to document myself. I want to document the progress and the success that you will be seeing throughout my journey. You will be seeing a lot of the Forex markets, stock markets, the crypto market, the real estate market, as well as the home inspection market. So you will be seeing a little bit of everything in this channel. So please stay tuned, my entrepreneurs who are in Atlanta, tap in. I'm in Atlanta with it, but I'm from New York. So, you know, from Brooklyn, New York, got my New York folks in here. So welcome, 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 welcome. Stay tuned, new content every week. I'm coming in different.